Are you tired of being reminded to check someone's status on WhatsApp? Those constant notifications can be annoying, especially when you don't want to engage with them. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable reminders for status updates on WhatsApp so you can keep your focus on what matters most. WhatsApp sends you notifications to view status updates posted by your contacts. Unlock your phone and launch the WhatsApp app. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. On iPhone, tap the Settings icon in the bottom right corner. In the Settings menu, look for and tap on Notifications. Scroll down to the Reminders option below the Status Notifications section. Turn off the toggle for reminders to completely stop receiving status reminders. And that's it! No more unwanted notifications for status updates. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tips and tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.